afternoon, everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today, I think that I've promised you like previous day. I'll take you to the church that is close by my apartment. So we are in a Kościelna street. Kościelna mean church. So behind me, this one is the famous church in Jasice district. So yeah, I will take you to go inside. Look at this beautiful church. Very nice. This is the look from outside. And let's see over there. Look at this one, Pownik Wejasnosce. And look at the year. I'll zoom a bit. 1932, 39. It's quite old building. And my apartment is there somewhere, so every 10 12, so it's gonna be sounding like ding dong, big ding dong. So yeah, I will show you a bit closer and I'll take you inside, because once I promise you to take you there. So basically that is the Rynek Jasice and here is the church area. That's complex of apartment. Okay, look at the blue sky, very nice. And here is the complex of the church, so we will get inside. And look at this one, I think this one is the information. Yeah. So we were in a beautiful church. It's very religious place, and as this one is a daily vlog, so I'll take you to the area where I usually hang out every day. So because I live and Damian live in Jasice district, so yeah, now I'll take you to stroll around Jasice district. I think that in front of me it's very old style. You see, it's just like amazing how they keep it. So yeah, we will go somewhere because this area is also famous for the restaurant and also for the shops. Right, so this one is the Ulica Kościelna. So Kościelna also famous for the restaurant. You see, there are so many restaurants, and look at in front of me. This is the clock tower, an apartment, and garden in the middle, and that's the petrol station. That's the Lidl, and also that's another park in the middle, and that's the ice cream shop where we used to buy the ice cream. So yeah, let's go somewhere to have a coffee. Look at the restaurant Sidolny 2.0 Kościelna. So the building that is so simple and many people are sitting outside, and over there is the ice cream shop and pizza. Just look at this restaurant in front of me, will open later, and look at the pizza shop. Looks so busy, full house, no place to sit. And in front of me, and look at these people walking, buying ice cream, people riding bicycles. So we will go there actually to have a coffee. Keep walking and walking. We are walking under the tunnel. See, even under the tunnel it's very clean. So many families, dogs and baby stroller. We keep walking and walking. Today's video is just about to showing you the place where I live, because my family are curious, you know, in Bali, like where are you living, and the place and the apartment area and everything, is it far from the city center, and blah 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 and blah blah blah. So yeah, today my video is about showing you my neighbor place, and this is also a part of my daily vlog. And now we are walking to the area of the Park Sawaczki. See, my apartment is very close to Park Sawaczki. Look at the blue sky. That park is actually the Park Sawaczki, and this street is called Aleja Wielkopolski. So yeah, Sawacz area. basically. That's the Park Sawatsky, and then this area, this Sawatch area, is also many restaurant like this one, and that is the Petit Paris. I think that I wanna have a coffee somewhere. Let's go. There are so many tempting cakes here. I decided to have a coffee and cake. Yes. Maybe I will buy the croissant as well. So nice. Look at this one. I wanna have a hot cappuccino, and the place looks so busy. Nice. So this is my coffee and cake today. Looks so tempting. I like the cup. May you live in interesting time. Very nice. I think this copy by Ili. And look at the place. So busy. It's a very nice restaurant. So I paid around 35 zloty. Coffee and nice chocolate cake. Very nice. No wonder then. I think that wherever you go, the range price for the coffee is just like 20 until 40 zloty, coffee and cake. So yeah, now I will take you to this one is the place. It's the Petit Paris in Sawatch area. So now I will take you to this park. Yes, this one, because last time we were in Park Sawatsky. This is what I like about my neighborhood, you know, just like literally 2, 3, 5 minutes walking, close by the restaurant, close by the coffee shop, and close by the park, like this. And look at the green nature. Very nice. Let's walk, because after eating too many sweets, I need to have a walk. Oh, look at this bridge. So beautiful under the green trees. It's a beautiful green garden. There is a small path. I just curious where to go. Let's see. Very nice. Keep walking and walking in the middle of the green jungle. Look at this. See how clean is the park. You can see from how clean is the river. Look at this. Can you see that the small fish living over there? It is very nice, clean and green park. I like to see how clean is the park, and also wherever you go is the children playground. It's just like this. So the kids, you see in front of me, the kids will stay active. Not only playing gadget, right? Look at this purple flower. Beautiful. And the children as the background, children playground. I like to see how is the children playground here. It's very nice. People are very stay active here. Look at the blue sky. Very nice. And you see that people with the families, children are happy. Very nice. So this is actually the neighborhood area where I live in Poznan, Poland. So wherever you go, the park is a very clean, green, and you know, like children playground. And you know, once I asked Damian, is like, this is like a dream place to live. I mean, like to start a family basically. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.